Alright, good morning. So, today will be part 3. Today we will be painting the top of the roof. But first, I gotta get 4 other people out of the bed. We all stayed up last night watching Roots and Refuge, Justin Rhodes, and all that. So, but today we're going to go do that. So, but I have to have some eggs. I need some eggs. And so I'm gonna walk up here and see if there's any eggs. Alright, so we're off. And guess what we're driving today? Old Blue. Little Levi. And Blue. Gracie. Yep, Old Blue. Old Blue's in retirement. That's why I called her old. Alright, so we're back up here on the camper. We got our gallons of paint and our paintbrush. We're gonna start by going. Let me get down here with him before he starts yelling. Boss man can't be yelling. Okay. But anyways, so we're gonna paint the top of the roof. And we're gonna go along the edge right here. Stephen, show them. We're gonna go right along that edge first, and then I'm gonna come and go like 2 inches above the rollover side. So y'all sit back and watch. Alright. Alright, Eddie, explain it to me. What you doing?
Paint and trim.
I don't know how much do you get on your paintbrush?
I don't know as much as you need, really. Enough to cover it to make it look white.
So do I stick the whole paintbrush in there?
No. But you only go so far. You have to keep it thick. Make sure you don't see the black up underneath it, or the colors.
The discoloration of it.
See how far that got me? That's it.
All right.
Paint.
Here's some friends. All right, y'all. The first layer of the outside is done. We're gonna go and do a second coat. We're going to start back right here and do a second coat. Just finishing up that corner right there. And then we can get back started. Alright guys. We just got done stirring the second can of paint up. This is, it's hot. It's like 2 o'clock. All we have to do is roll now. We just got done doing all the trim. And it is bright. I had to go find me a pair of sunglasses. These old grandma sunglasses, safety glasses, or whatever you want to call them. This is what I look like up there. Don't I look old? So we're going to get up there and paint and roll and get this finished up. I still got 2 more cans after this can. Man, I'm tired. So tired. Alright. Alright, babe, how's it coming?
Good.
And all this up here is going to have the second coat?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks good. We've been on top of this roof all day long. Let me get out of here. Alright, y'all, it's all done.
Stand up. You gotta stand up as long as you don't jump over the ground.
Look at that. Brand new camper top. We just got to do the sides. And then we're done.
Slide out.
That's what we meant. Well, that's what I meant. Slide outs. And then we're done. It's been one long, long day. Hadn't it, Daddy?
Yeah. We're almost done. We're cutting this in and then we're going to paint the top with the roller. This is the biggest one, 12 foot long. The other ones are about 6 foot long. So there's one 12 foot slide out by 4 foot and 2 of them that are 6 foot by 2 foot.